Davis Polk and Wardwell Honest Review, my real user experience and deep dive. Davis Polk and Wardwell is one of the world's leading law firms, but what's it like working with her at the firm? I explore their services and culture firsthand, and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong, assuming large law firms are only for corporate giants. The surprising truth is Davis Polk and Wardwell handles a wide range of clients, from multinational corporations to emerging startups, providing expertise in capital markets and litigation. The onboarding process is professional and highly structured. I observed how teams manage complex deals, coordinate across offices, and maintain high standards for research, compliance, and client communication. Their technology infrastructure supports efficient collaboration, which is essential for high-stakes work. Client service is meticulous. Every document, contract, and advisory note goes through rigorous checks. The attorneys are responsive, detail-oriented, and highly knowledgeable, ensuring that client interests are fully protected. Culture is demanding but rewarding. Associates experience steep learning curves, mentoring programs, and exposure to high-profile deals. Work-life balance can be challenging during peak deal periods, but the professional growth opportunities are unmatched. The only downside is the exclusivity and intensity of the work environment, which may not suit everyone. However, for ambitious legal professionals and high-ends needing top-tier legal advice, the firm delivers exceptional value. In conclusion, Davis Polk and Wardwell combines world-class expertise, rigorous processes, and impressive client service. Whether you're considering employment or seeking legal representation, the firm exemplifies excellence in corporate law and high-stakes legal matters.